Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to fix the microphone problem in Fedora 20, which most of the people have encountered these days, and I know the fix, how to fix it. Suppose you have bought an external microphone for your Linux computer, for example for Fedora 20, and it doesn't work. So I have a perfect fix for it. You just have to download Audacity. It is an application, you can download it from software repository if you want. Let me show you. First of all, you have to check here with the Audacity. Select yes. So you get a bunch of options here for the microphone. uh, uh, for me it is this option. I chose to use this option for my microphone settings. uh, Let me show you another thing. Open up the terminal and type alpha mixer, where they say mix here. So you get this type of alpha mixer, this type of window here. You just have to press F5 and then press F6. Now select your sound card. In my case it is HDA Intel, so I'll press enter. Now we have getting a bunch of options here. You can use your left and right arrow keys to move, and volume up and arrow up and down key to increase and decrease the volume. So what do we gonna do is we have to go to this and increase the rear mic, and now we see three options here. We get the three options of input source here. So you have to select all of the three in front mic mode. You get three options here. First one is the front mic, second one is the rear mic, and third one is the line. So you just have to select front mic in all the three cases, and once you go here, you have to select. Wait for a second please. Okay, and you can increase the headphone volume also, and you get two options of front mic here. So you have to increase the volume of these also. You can increase it as it according to your liking. uh, Let me show you here. For me it is this type of volume. If I increase it much, wait, for example I increase the front mic more, so I'll get a very boosted volume as you are hearing at the moment. So let it be like this. So in short, you have to select front mic in all the three cases in input source, and increase the volume a little bit, volume of the front mic like this. Like I have increased 10 dB here, as you can see. So the microphone will work for you. And to test it that your microphone is working or not, you can go to the Audacity application. Then you can select your sound card. If you don't know what is your mic in from these options, you can try one of them by one by selecting all the options and then recording your voice by clicking this. And when you have recorded, you have to pause it and replay it, and then see if the voice is coming or not. So that's it. If you have any questions regarding this, you can drop a comment in the comment section below, and I guess there shouldn't be any problem, because Fedora 20 has a bug that it doesn't detect the external microphone separately. So you have to edit the configurations and set it according to it. So I guess this is it. Okay, thanks for watching. Please rate, comment and subscribe. Do like my videos. If you want more, you can subscribe to my channel. Peace.